matutuloy. Joke. Ano na, Monday today, pupunta ako sa work, and nag-gas lang ako sa Niisip ko kapag sa Starbucks ako or hindi, pero 5:06 na. May time pa naman ako, pero mag-i-edit pa kasi ako ng video, so baka hindi na. Tignan na lang natin. Ito na ako, bibili ng coffee, pero mali ata itong decision na to kasi 5:15 na. Pakatlo ako sa linya. Naka-order naman ako, pero hindi gumagalaw yung nasa harapan. Pauwi na ako galing work, and bakit ang bagal ni Kuya Boy? Ano na ngayon? 2:07. Late man ako makauwi today ngayon, Kensborough, dahil ang bagal ng sasakyan sa harapan ko. Hindi ko ito kasalanan.
I made the car. I missing the other rubber with
For the wheel.
the wheel.
You can make the front. Because you're missing stuff.
All the stuff. We don't have oh, found one.
Here, but it's still not gonna go.
Where is it?
Over here, over here.
Now can you?
A little bit.
Now
It's
just
missing a wheel. But this one has one. This one doesn't have the rubber. This one has it. Now it moves like this. Wobbly.
marble.
Basta mag-dinner si Kai Kai ngayon and si Mavi para silang kinain na rice and fish sticks. Tapos ngayon si Kai Kai gusto niya pa daw ng apple. So, magbabalatan siya ng apple. Si Kai Kai malakas talaga siya mag-food. Tapos ngayon parang dinatay naman siya mag-rice ng mag-rice. Para lang kasi picky siya, hindi siya yung palakain. Saka pili lang talaga yung kinakain yung mga pagkain. So ngayon, at least ngayon kumakain siya ng rice. Malaking achievement yun para sa amin. And si Mavi naman wala kaming problema sa pagkain niya. Wala silang allergy dalawa. Wala siyang hindi siya matindi sa pagkain. So kahit na ano, sinakain na siya kain. Si Kai Kai lang talaga yung picky sa pagkain. Kasi Kai Kai din, naghahabulan kasi sila. Naghahabulan silang dalawa. Kaya hindi naman hindi naman kinakain yung meron. Wala. Pero ngayon, gusto niya mas nakabalik na siya. So, walang gusto ng bata. Kasi, kailangan lang kumain. Kasi, kung ano gusto ng anak mo, dapat yun yung ginagawa. Paliban na lang, mali yung gusto lang gawin. Para sa akin naman, kahit na naiinis ako kasi si Kai Kai, hindi siya yung magaling kumain. Pero yun yung siya na yan eh. Ano pa bang magagawa ko? Ipatry sa kanya ng ipatry yung mga hindi niya gustong kainin hanggang sa alam mo yun, makain niya na ulit or makain niya na. Kasi alam ko naman mahihirapan siya sa paglaki niya na picky siya sa pagkain. Kaya ngayon, ang ginagawa ko, pinapatry ko sa kanya. Kung ayaw niya. Kasi nabasa ko kapag lagi mo pinipilit, mas lalong nagiging ayaw. So kapag naging ayaw niya, kawawa siya. Kawawa ako kasi syempre kailangan kong magluto ng pagkain niya, magluto ng pagkain namin. So ngayon, puro try lang ako. Mag-unload naman tayo ng dishwasher. Nari ko ano yun. Ngayon, third ko naman kumain. Ha? I'm talking to the vlog. Habang happy pa sila, ay, parang hindi na. Parang hindi na happy. Okay. Kasi hindi pa ako nakakasubo. Wala na. Okay. Happy na siya ulit. Bigyan ko na siya ng bagong snack. Nakakasubo ba ako? O hindi? Bago ako kumain, nag-unload ako ng dishwasher. Nilinis ko yung pinagkainan nila. Sinayos ko yung kitchen, pinanasan ko yung counter. Para after ko kumain, wala akong lilinisin. Tapos na. Tira, kailangan i-fix! Oh no, naipit yung paa niya. Sige na! Happy girly! Oo! Okay, no! You got 4 more minutes, okay?
Today,
Uh-huh.
today, this walk, and then with my food. I just break and then to No.
Good night.
Good night, Tutoy. I'm the fixer.
3:30 na. 3:30 na madaling araw and 4 yung pasok ko. Less than 10 minutes yung pasok, yung work ko. Good morning.
Alright, show them your breakfast, Keka. Your breakfast, Bobby girly.
They want to eat.
Hi. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do today, Bobby girls. Go to Target and like walk around.
I walk around.
Yeah, to get you guys tired so they can nap before Trisha gets home. Go to sleep and Trisha gets some me time before, because we usually exchange taking care of the kids when, you know. Gonna walk around where? In your favorite store?
Target.
Yeah. Okay. You got it, Mavi girls. Good job, Mavi girly. Hi. Good job.
Bye, bye.
You're gonna go shower. We're gonna go underwater. We're gonna shower. We're not swimming.
Hi guys! Nakauwi na ako from work. Kaya kakagising niya lang from nap. Paras kami mag-meet up para hindi kami mag-away. maglakad kami sa labas. Pero kapag hindi, hindi. Yun na lang sila sa may patio maglaro din siguro. Pero yun, hindi ako lang pala. Hindi ako makapag-free time kasi gising na ang Mami Ray. Hey! Oh, oh no! Hi guys! I know, not yet. Wala pa sa mood ang Mommy. It's okay. Hi! Nakabadad na si Mommy early. Hi! Hi! Oops! Hi! Let me see cute. Let me see yung cute, Mami girl. Oh, ganyan yung cute, may padila. Your chicken dance. Hindi na kami nakapaglakad. Kasi late na natapos si Kai kumain. So, lang kami sa labas namin. Si Mavi. Hi guys! Oh, kakauwi ko lang from work. 3:06 na. Naligo lang ako. Tapos nagising na sila. Wala tayong nap today. Hey! Uy! Give a hug to the teddy bear. Hug! Uy! Like this. Uy! There you go. Uy, sweet naman ng Mavi na to. Where did you get your Mickey Mouse? From who? From baby sister. Yan, snack na si Mami. No, pagkagising mag-snack, no? Ooh, what's that? Whoa! Yeah. Yes. Good? Hello. What do you have? What's for your snack? M&M yogurt. And peanut butter and jelly bread. Wow. Good job, Kakay. Ooh. Is it good? Can fly? Okay.
Mom, touch it.
Oh, wow.
Rise up fingers.
Ay, Mavi girly.
Okay.
finished taking a shower and Kai woke up. Parang lagi niya ako natatimingan. Kapag after ko maligo, gising na siya.
Mom, is it? Oh.
That's how you play with this.
I want to play backwards. When I play,
Then you put all of this here.
I saw a Birdman box open.
And then this is what's inside?
Where?
Oh, maybe this is what Spider-Man and his friends play with. No. Yeah?
Birdman knows how to play it. I want to call Birdman who knows how to play it.
You wanna call Spider-Man? Because he knows how to play with it.
What do it mean?
Huh?
What do it mean?
Nothing.
Why are we touching
I
it?
just saw something. And then I got it.
What did that call?
I don't know. It's out. Good morning, guys. Super long week. Super long week. Rough week siya. Okay lang. Today is Friday. Nagpa-off ako today. Pero, bibila ako ng mga kailangan ko. Hindi magpapagawa ako ng nails. Para sumaya-saya naman ako. Okay lang. Dito na ako sa paggawaan ng nails. Yan siya. Hindi ako dito usually nagpapagawa. Pero ano lang, kunyari gusto mo ng mabilisang service, dito ako nagpapagawa. Okay, tapos na ako magpagawa ng nails. Kita ba? Okay na yan, kita nyo na yan. Para sa sisig. Ano, natutulog. Nahihira ko na yung pangsisig. Nalagay ko na rin yung sibuyas dito. Wala kasi akong makitang seed. Lemon. Okay. Kasi may mayonnaise. Konti lang. Para hindi siya masyadong maalat.
I'm just like my
Go around. Go around.
Oh, please.
My girl! Hi! Hey, you want a spoon? Oy, 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 oy. Can't open it, no. It's locked. Locked. Let's see. It's locked. Yeah, that one is locked too. Hey, tamad maglakad. Oh, it's locked. Ay. What's that? Ito lang yung hindi lock. Yung nandun sa dulo, yung nag-iisang door. Oh, hindi pa ready yan. Ay, come here na. Ito sir.
Mom, Bumblebee makes syrup and honey. I love honey.
Bees make honey. This is just made of sugar. Your waffles.
Happy birthday to Vagn. Happy birthday to Vagn. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy.
So,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Bye bye, bye. Bye bye, bye.
good morning! Saturday today, nagluluto ako ng pansit at saka ng spaghetti. Pero yung spaghetti na luto ko na yung sauce. Tapos yung pansit, yung gulay, yan na. Niluluto ko na siya. Kita nyo. Actually, hindi ko alam kung... Ay, nagbibinata yarn. Hindi ko alam kung... tama to kasi niluluto ko lang naman yung noodles. Pero hindi ako sure kung bakit wala siyang sabaw. Wala siyang enough sabaw para doon sa noodles. Okay na yan. Basta at least may gulay. Ito na yung pansit. Up. Who's that?
Owa. You get Owa or no?
Meron doon sa rice cooker. Ito fried rice. Garlic fried rice. Tikman mo, ginawa ko yan.
I like it.
Happy girl.
14, the decision is a majority draw. Oh my, are you serious?
Happy girly! Good job!